Hello there, welcome to Joseph IT, your technology entertainer. Today in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to password lock your files with Winrar and locking your existing zip files too with password. So I'm going to my folders and there are two files. I'm just going to log this image with password in zip form. So I have installed Winrar in my system. If you don't know how to install it, the latest version, then simply check the video from the link on the description. Okay, simply right click, go to archive, and now you can choose RAR or zip, it doesn't matter. Simply go to set password and now type password. I'm choosing 1234, choose yours, 1234, and also re-enter, and then click on OK, and then OK. And now this is the file which I have locked in zip form. And now if I double click on it and double click on the file, and it will ask me for the password. Unless the password is entered, it cannot be opened. Okay. And now the second one is, this is the existing file in my computer and it is not protected with password. As you can see, if I click on the image, it is open, means it is not locked. Now to lock it, what I'm going to do, open it by double click, go to tools, click on convert archives, and now click on compression, and from there simply choose set password, and now do the same, set password, re-enter it and press OK. OK, yes, and then OK, close. And now if I click there, it's now asking for enter password, and if I enter password, then this will be opened. And this is a simple way of locking your zip files with password, new and existing files. And lastly, if you found this useful, then please hit the like button and share your experience in the comment box. We always upload instructive and educative videos to this channel. Hope you are with us by subscribing. See you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.